Welcome back to my channel. This is Divya and we are going to do the reading for the month of October. And if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe because that would be an energy exchange for this particular reading. And this month of October is starting with a new thing, new idea, new opportunity. We did have a reset button in the month of September, so this October would be something we are starting off completely new. A new idea pops out, and it's also a month of balance. So the balance here says we are going to deep dive into every reading, and let's understand this first card that came out for the month of October is a balance. Of course, this is a Libra month, and Libra is all about balancing your masculine and feminine, giving and receiving, putting up efforts and resting. So whatever, no matter how hard you work, it comes with equal resting period as well. Give only what is excess and receive without attaching guilt to it is what I'm listening. Some of you would be traveling and meeting your soul tribe very, very soon, and this soul tribe is going to give you the exchange. It's going to give you the energies that you need, and you're going to pour out the energies that need for them, that is a requirement for an hour, and for uplifting, for growth, or whatever this is. There is an energy exchange happening. Flowers would be resonating to you all. Number 33 on the timer would be resonating to you all. Of course, we started this reading at 444, so yes, you're divinely protected. Whatever steps you are taking, you are divinely protected. The soul tribe that you are meeting, you would be mostly meeting in a vacation, on a vacation, when you're on a vacation and you're asked to be alone during this vacation. If at all it is not possible, make sure that you have that enough me time for yourself. Whatever this is a time of receiving in a major aspect. As you spend time with yourself, the foundations that you have set, whatever time you're sitting with yourself, this timeline is bringing in the fruits. It's bringing in more happiness. It's bringing in one such person who is going to give you that light, how you would take this project up, how you would proceed with this, the steps, whatever foundations you have set, the ideas that you have already you are putting it into practice, whatever this is. Okay, there are too many things coming my way, so let me go step by step. Whatever ideas that you have already planted, the seeds, the fruits are coming out now. It is also a time for you to rest. Now, by resting, it means, see, again, equal balance. Resting and putting in your efforts. Whatever work you do, your body needs rest too. Your feminine energies are getting more and more of activated. You are someone who is getting more and more of intuitive. You are supposed to heal yourself by purging. Some of you have already gone through this purging period, or some of you would be experiencing the clarity that comes in with some kind of heaviness and sadness. Why? Because the efforts, the energy that you were putting out for someone else, and the expectations you had for that particular person, situation, whatever this is, the written wasn't that equivalent. The expectations were not met, but this brings in clarity of where to draw a line, what to give, what not to give, how much to speak, and to whom to speak, whom to invest your energies, in short. So this has brought in the clarity. But with clarity, because expectations were not met, you might be feeling very heavy. You might be processing these feelings. So you might be purging, crying, writing it down, singing, whatever this is. You are getting more and more intuitive, spiritually aligned by practicing this, by accepting certain facts, and by getting more and more aware. And with this, you're also practicing one thing, and that is you are adding what not to do list. You're adding things in what not to do list and taking out things from what to do list. Your to do list is shortening and your not to do is expanding. That means the clarity, the focus that you need to ascend and to align more, to have that upgrade in your life, you are putting your complete focus onto those energies, and that's taking you more and more higher. Wow. Now, there is some kind of surprise coming your way, honey. Whoever you are going to experience a magical moment in typically in next 24 to 48 hours of timeline. Whoever you are you are not only healing yourself, but you're healing your complete tribe. People are looking at you as an example, as the steps that you have taken and how you have ascended in your life. You are someone who is understanding the fact that your presence is not for your own self, but people are setting examples, setting you as an example for themselves or for others, whatever this is. You are glowing in a different way, typically in this month of October. And the acceptance that you have had, the emotional acceptance that you have had, you have understood the fact that I am whatever energies are there inside me that are mine, and I am the sole responsible person to take care and nurture my inner child. There is a balance between masculine and feminine, plus the upgrade in your inner child feeling. So you are now more focusing on what my inner self is trying to say, more than what the exterior world is trying to give it to me. The sun, yeah, the sun would be resonance. The sun and the moon and the sun, again the balance, of course, the masculine and feminine energies. When you are at the peak of your enjoyment of the life, when you feel fulfilled in this typical month of October, you would be poured with abundance. During the full moon in the month of October, you would experience something being poured in your life, and this is going to be purely magical. Normally full moons are the days when you purge it out, when you release it, when you give it to the universe. But this full moon is going to bring in something surprising. It's going to awaken your intuitions more of throat chakra is being activated, the high priest, and the nine of cups coming together. The mystical side of you is awakening. You are connecting more with nature. As I said, you're supposed to go out and be in nature, go out alone on vacations, have your me time. When you have your me time, you get insights, and these insights are highly powerful. Typically, next, you have broken the cycle. Okay, let's see what are the cards that came out together. Okay. We have got so many balanced cards. So many of them are balanced cards. I'm not taking all the cards here. Most Knight of Pentacles. Okay. Money is coming your way. Money, honey, is coming your way. Money, honey, is coming your way. This is Five of Pentacles card. So something made you feel like I cannot do this, or I cannot afford it, or I cannot practice this. You felt there is no solution for this particular problem of mine. But whatever this is resolving on its own. Money is coming your way. Money is going to be a power weapon for you in this complete month. Whatever this is, this surprise will come in. The more you understand that your life is more of an intuitive life, the magical moments in you are being activated in this particular month. Typically, I'm listening. Some of you will get aware of your ancestral, of course you have closed many ancestral wounds in last 1 week of timeline. Typically last weekend that we just passed, it was very heavy. This is a timeless reading. Whenever you listen to it, it is going to give you the same message, though I'm reading this for the month of October, so it could be any October or any particular month that is coming in. But this new beginning has brought in a clarity of why certain traumas actually existed and how did you break the cycle. You are burning the negative side. You are burning or breaking the cycle of ancestral traumas. Now, because you have done that already, you have got more aware, and by doing, in the sense, by cutting the cord, in the sense, you are getting more aware. Now, because you have got aware, you are not going to practice that anymore in your life, or you're not going to carry forward that practices and keep that kind of a mentality for you, for your own self, for your own growth. So definitely that is equivalent to cord cuttings. When you cut the cords, what you have to do here is you would be simply understanding certain situations with more clarity. Now, this holy powerful fire element, we have, if you are in India, we have Diwali approaching, we have Diwali coming in, the festival of light. during Diwali, you would go through a phase of furthermore enlightenment. Whenever your spiritual things comes out, the intuition, the cat, whenever the spirituality comes out, the more awareness comes out, you realize the fact that you are a born leader. You realize the fact that I am meant to do something very big. I'm not meant to have a limited mindset. I am meant to be abundant in all ways, in all areas of life. And this awareness itself is bringing in certain manifestation that are coming true. Your wish list is coming true because that is a gift from universe to you for just being aware and just being living in this very present moment. This October month has got a powerful energy. Let's go ahead and deep dive what is coming. Let's take some reconfirmation cards for you. The High Priest and the Hierophant card. You are breaking the traditional patterns for sure. During the full moon, the purge and everything. Okay. Again, we got good number of cards. The Nine of Cups we have here is Page of Cups, Ten of Cups, Three of Cups. All these three beautiful cards, and the Nine of Cups we had. I'm going to take the other two major arcana cards in a moment, but all these cards are talking about fulfillment. The soul tribe sitting together, exchanging of energies, emotions. The soul tribe again sitting here. You are not going to do anything alone. You are asked to spend your time, me time, but so that you get introduced to your soul tribe and have an energy exchange. Exchange is a must. Balance is a must. Resting, enjoying, working, everything goes hand in hand for you. 11:44 on the timer for you in the month of October. Again, coming together. You're meeting your soul tribe, another confirmation. Okay, but sometimes it's really good to have fun with your soul tribe. So yes, with energy exchange, I'm listening. It is not going to be a work or work culture as such, or something typically going with the tradition, forming a pattern or doing something traditional 12-12. You are going to express your feelings in a way to different manner. You are going to say out something you have never spoken about. Your throat chakra has already in process of being healing. That is what you're experiencing. Some might have some kind of a cough, like you might be coughing out of nowhere. Whatever this is a timeline of expression. This is a timeline of expression. Look at the energies of the card. The more you express, the more you take it out, the more expansion happens. Number 3, the expression brings expansion. Wow. The expression brings expansion. The moonlight, this is a full moon energy. I'm talking about full moon. Something is happening near full moon. Be very observant. Your intuitions are at peak, boss. Your spirituality is awakening. Some of you are also entering or going to start your career or going to learn more about plants, herbs, practice healings. You're going to get into a new idea where your idea is being nurtured, taken care, supported. You might end up starting a new channel, invest into a new business, a new idea, which is going to be more of a healing. So you yourself are going to be a healer. Now that does not definitely always means that you want to be into Reiki healing, energy healing. Whoever you are, your hands have got power. Your existence have got power. Your existence either makes someone realize their mistake, mirror, throat chakra, purge, or it heals them in some form or the other. You might be taken as like they have got some powerful energies, and I really cannot stand by this person. You have been neglected in your life just because your spark, you spark in a different way. Throat chakra. I recorded this video thrice, and this would be my last try, and somehow didn't get recorded. So definitely this would be reaching the right kind of people. You are expanding. Rainbows could be significant in many forms or the other. Your foundation is being set in a very strong way this month, this year 2025. By the end of the year, your foundation is going to be unshakable. Whatever this is, this foundation. Oh wow, the lavender and the watering can. someone is going to nourish those ideas, someone is going to water the ideas that are coming out. And because you are doing it, you are nourishing it, you are getting the fruits of labor that you're already invested. Throat chakra, someone doesn't really want you to listen to this. You're asked to share your burden with the people. 15:16 on the timer. You're asked to share your burden with the people you can rely on. And again, this is going to be a soul tribe. You would exactly understand, listen to your intuitions, you would exactly understand who is here with what intentions. And now because the intentions are getting more and more clear, it might go really heavy. Make sure that you keep purging, you respect whatever is happening around you. The foundations are set right kind of help is coming your way. Nonetheless, whatever you do, you are someone who is ascending. And let's go ahead and deep dive in next 24 hours to one last message for you all. Your kindness, your own healing is bringing in so much. Okay. Take the initiation. Okay. Take the initiation. Your manifestations are coming true, and you are asked to get rid of that negative energy. Release those negative energies. Okay, some of your videos are going viral, some of you are getting an expansion, and because whenever there comes a name and fame or some kind of accessibility or being famous, whenever there is a fame attached to you, the jealousy would also come in. So higher chances you might attract negative energies because you are someone who is energy sensitive. So make sure that you practice salt water bath every single day. 1 second, do sage cleansing. Make sure you do some form of cleansing, whatever suits you the best. And also make sure that you start having moon water. Moon water, just keep the bottle outside, the transparent bottle, water filled in it, of course. Keep it under the moonlight and start having that every single day. That's going to bring in more and more of abundance. Also, some of you would be looking out for some form of stability. The roots are out, the foundation is being set, you are getting more and more stable in this coming month. In the month of October, we have already entered the timeline. Again, I repeat, the new timeline is coming. Go with the intuitions, go with the flow. Also listen to the vibes, the energy someone is trying to give it to you. The more negative energy comes your way, all you have to do is come out of those energies. Don't get too attached with people. Don't get too open with people is also what I'm listening for some of you. That would be one of the things that you're supposed to take care of. Let's go ahead and take one last card for next 24 hours for you all. So yes, October is indeed a beautiful month. All you have to do is be in this present moment. It is bringing in new ideas. Don't just take action, but also make sure to rest is how I would summarize. Also subscribe if you haven't yet. Let's bring in what is next 24 hours bringing for you. I'm too attracted towards the high priestess energy for you all. So let's go ahead and see what is 24 hours of message for you all. Be yourself. Be yourself, unicorn. You are different. You are born for different reasons. You have a different purpose. You're not someone who's supposed to follow the tribe. And in next 24 hours, by some way or the other, you would know why and how different you are. Acceptance is the key. When you start understanding, learning more about it, upgrading more towards it, this will bring in some kind of opportunities or upliftment that you have been looking out for. And this is no joke, because whatever this is huge. The situations, be an authentic self. Yes, to go viral on your videos, be authentic again. Don't speak something what you don't feel like. Communicate what you want to. Accept everything and anything that you actually want to, not what you're going against. Because this summer, the season that has started now, the complete fruits you start seeing. I got this channel message couple of my videos before as well. You are going to experience the summer timeline as a different you 100%. The beginning has already happened, and for some of you it's happening in the month of October. And see the changed you, 100% change you by September. By May, September could also be resonating for some of you. Next year September, that is in next 12 months, and for some of you it would also be May. You will see the fruits growing, glowing in a different way by the month of May 2026. The era has begun, the new timeline has begun. How are you taking things ahead? How are you looking at it matters a lot. Change the perspective, come out of that bracketed form would be the last message for you all. Stay blessed. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. This would be an energy exchange. Stay blessed. Om Namah Shivaya.